In front of me is a LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app and tap on Alarm at the top on the left. Then before doing anything, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. This way you can access all of those under alarms and adjust them however you want to, like snooze. Then go back and to create new alarm, tap on this plus icon at the bottom on the right. Then set up an hour, hit OK, and make sure all of those options are perfectly adjusted to you. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then tap on days of the week you wanna set up, and to exclude any of them, tap on this plus icon and pick a date or a few you want to exclude. Hit OK. And to remove them later on, use Remove button next to the chosen ones. Now tap on this icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable it. And if you are using Google Assistant routine, you can use this plus icon to add your alarm to it. If you want to change sound of your alarm, click on this bell icon here, pick any of those, or log in into YouTube Music or so Spotify if you have it. This way you can use music from it. You can also choose Add New here and pick any song from your tablet by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with one of those though, like for example, Neon. Now, to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner of your alarm. To turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it. To edit it in the future, just tap on it and make your changes. To delete it though, tap on it and use the Delete button at the bottom left corner of it. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!